Bright flashing by the street lights. Keep waiting till you've arrived. Let it unfold. Let it unfold.
Welcome to the Beatmik vlog. So it's been snowing like crazy around our house this year. I started the day just waiting for the snow to stop, and it just hasn't stopped for like 10 days. Like that's all fresh powder. That's all fresh snow. It's bordering on ridiculous here, and I have so much snow I don't even think I could get the vehicle out of the driveway if I don't start plowing some of the snow out. And then even using the quad to plow the snow out. I think I have to shovel before I plow. It's just become ridiculous. So let's get to it. Plan is to get this car out of here so I can plow the driveway with the quad, but I just don't know if it's gonna be able to drive out of here, so this might be an entertaining little rally race here. I decided I'm going to do it in two halves, bottom and top. And stuck. This is going to be a long day, I think. So winter can be a difficult time for people. So today I'm on the streets asking people how they deal with the winter blues. Let's hit it.
Well, coming from like Zimbabwe, a hot place, like it affects me a lot. So I've tried to just, try hang out with my friends more and just do something I love, like, play music, listen to music, grab some coffee downtown.
Heck yeah.
And sleep. Yeah.
It's really important.
It's a struggle though.
I mean, I definitely am a big proponent of green leafy vegetables. I still try and get a bit of sun, and I find that exercise and rest are the three main most important things. And trying to keep that smile going and pass it along to other people as well.
So I feel like I don't really have any winter blues. I just enjoy every day as it is and make the best of it, be kind and be happy and loving, and that's me.
Skiing at Sun Peaks every weekend.
Perfect.
I get out with my dog every day up into the hills, no matter how cold it is, how snowy it is, because it always ends up being warmer by the end of the walk, and I feel invigorated. Getting out there, and by the time you get back, you're all pumping up. You're good to go for the day.
For me, it's just mostly being outside, getting all the sunlight you can when the days are short.
Yeah.
Snowboarding, drinking, and snowboarding.
Who would have thought? So how do you deal with the winter blues?
We don't.
We
I
don't
think.
I just pretend it's not happening and then it goes away.
I deal with the winter blues through a combination of creating really nice artistic objects that it lightens me a lot. Don't tell anyone, but I do 10 minutes down at Bikini Bill's little fake and bake, just a quick one.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to go orange because that's not in, but a little bit of that.
It's a little good. UV for you, yeah.
Yeah, you bet. And we're in the gym 4 days a week with John Crisco, so that helps.
Bright flashing by the street lights.
secret weapon. So the best thing I found for traction up here is the old ash from the fireplace. Worked as good as anything. It's worked good as gravel, if not better. Look at that lighting. Yeah, I don't know if it makes sense to keep you guys around for the rest of this. It's not going to get any more exciting, and I'm just going to get more pissed off. So I'll catch you inside. So there you have it. Winter can be a really hard season for, I mean, all of us. And I think that it's just really a matter of what you put in, you get out. So you get outside more, you kind of enjoy the weather. I think you'll have a better time with it. If you got something out of this video, hit that subscribe button or share it with one of your friends. If you're just stopping by, it's nice to see you. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.